Hey friends, we just have a few more letters of the alphabet to talk about and we'll be all done with the whole alphabet. Today we are going to talk about the letter X. What do I need to make the letter X? That's right, I need two big lines. 1, 2. So I'm going to get my blue board here today. And we're going to start up at the top by my little tiny smiley face. And we're going to do a diagonal line down to the bottom. And then we're going to jump up to this opposite corner. And we're going to do a diagonal line the other way. And that's pretty easy to make the letter X. Mine looks a little silly here. We'll fix it up a little bit. There we go. So we're going to start up here by the smiley face. We're going to do a diagonal line down to the bottom. We're going to jump back to this top. And we're going to do a diagonal line the other way. Sometimes I hear you guys saying X marks the spot. And that's what it is. So we're going to start up here by the smiley face. We're going to do a diagonal line down to the bottom. We're going to jump up to the top and diagonal line down to the other side. Now the sound for letter X is pretty tricky. So let's practice it together. X, X, X. It's a tricky sound. I only have a few pictures in my book for letter X. This is a copy machine, but we might call it a Xerox. Some of you guys, if you fall down and you get hurt, you might have to go to the doctor and you might have to have an X-ray. And an X-ray is where they can look at your bones to see if you've had a broken bone. And the last one I have, this is something that Miss Dawn might bring into the classroom to play with. And if we were at school, I'm sure she would have brought one of these in. It's a xylophone. And maybe you guys have a xylophone at home. Now there are lots of words that have an X at the end. So these words have it at the beginning, but some words have it at the end. Like the number 6. It has an X at the end. Box has an X at the end, and fox has an X at the end. You might think socks, but socks that you wear on your feet has a tricky letter, and it's a CK that makes that X kind of sound. So some words like 6 and box and fox have that X at the end. Okay, friends, we'll see you next time.